doesn't flange too bad for you here, John. And this is the 12-bar lick that we're going to use. And we're going to open A string, and then the 4th string, your index finger will be on the 2nd fret on the 4th string. That is a 5, a 5th rather. It'll go from that A to this is a 5th. And we're going to go from the 5th to the 6th. And there's a reason I'm telling you this, because that way you'll understand this no matter what key we do this in. When we go, that we'll have a drone note on the bottom, and we'll go from 5 to 6 on the top. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing here. Okay? So here we are. We're going on the 4th string is the one that's going to move. The 5th string is the drone. 5th string is the low A drone. And then we're going to count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you notice that when we do that lick twice, we've done one measure. Okay? But I want you to count the beats instead of the times. I'll let you know how many times that is per measure, but I want you to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. We just played it 4 times. That's 4 measures. Now we're going to go to the D, which we're going to have the D 4-string droning. And the index finger is going to be on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. And we're going to go ahead and put our 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Looks like part of a D chord, doesn't it? And the drone string will be the 4th-string D. And our 5 to 6 is going to be that index finger to the 3rd finger again, the same kind of a move as we just did with the A on the 3rd string. So we just did 2 measures of that. Okay, then we're going to go back to the A and do 2 measures of this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go to the E. The E is going to be the drone. So E is going to be the drone, and we're going to go between the B and the C sharp, which is the 5 and the 6, at the 2nd and 4th frets of the 5th string. We're just going to do that one measure, which is twice. Then we're going to go to the D and do that one measure, which is twice. And then we're going to go back to the A. We're going to do that twice, which is 1 measure. And then lastly, we're going to do the 5 chord. Then we're going to go back to start the whole progression over again. And it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just follow that chord chart that I gave you, and those are the riffs. And see if you just get as familiar with that as you can, and we'll try to put something a little bit more concrete.
Only in the key of A.
We're going to be doing in the key of A, D, and E. Those are the 3 things I just showed you, the little drone riffs there.